Good morning, guys. I halfway cleaned up. Oh, look, you guys can see me in that mirror. Halfway, semi, started to get dressed. I'm keeping this on, and I put on my white shirt, but I'm still trying to figure out if I'm not leaving the house, then, well, actually that's not true because I have to record a reel today, and I need my bottom, I need my pants or my jeans or my shorts fit. No, not shorts, definitely need pants or jeans. But let me brush my teeth first. Alright, yo, so right now I don't got a closet like door situation, so I need to figure that out. Yes, I am in a new spot, and I'm still trying to figure out how exactly I want to set up everything. Clecho, you look so cute with your tongue. Your tongue is just sticking out. Oh my god, your tongue is just, your tongue is sticking out. But we'll get into that later. We'll get into that later because right now I really need to eat. I need to make some, I already have coffee made, and I have to film some videos, but right now I'm just trying to figure out what we're putting on the bottoms, which I'm thinking are going to be some joggers just to keep it simple, right? Yeah, I might do like a little jogger situation. I have hangers coming on Wednesday. Shout out mom for Amazon sending hangers. They get here Wednesday, so I'll be able to hang all this stuff up. I'm still trying to figure out how I want like this setup to be, because like, here guys, check this out. Check this out real quick. Sorry if I still have wake up face, but it's because I just woke up. So here's the situation that we got going on, okay? So I basically did all my laundry. So I got a mixture of pants and jeans down there, some shorts and pants, boxers, socks, all that good stuff, and a bunch of shirts, right? In that corner is I think it's a clean hamper of my hoodies. So basically, I'm gonna let y'all see this, right? And if you got a screenshot, but I wanna know how you would set this up. We will like have a cover, like a, either, we'll see if they can do the mirror situation. If they can't, I'll get a mirror and we'll do like just a nice vibe. I'll put up on the screen what the aesthetics are for my room, and then y'all like, I need help, all right? I'm gonna do a lot of like this or that, and if you don't have my Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna do a lot of this or that, or my Snapchat as well, okay? But we're gonna get that situation. Oh, girl, did you just break that? I just noticed. Yeah, Clecho's up there. All right, there's a lot of things we gotta do. There's actually a lot of content we gotta film today. I gotta shout out you to the people because they sent me this. So I'm gonna do a little. Well, I would like to wait to do some PR unboxing until I get the other 2 PR packages, but I do need to film a video saying thank you to them. And then I also have a product video idea in mind for the specific song that I like. So yeah, so today's content day. Today is specifically content day because tomorrow is bathroom day. Gotta get that organized. And yeah, just in case you guys don't know who I am, my name is Carter. I'm a trans guy. I'm 32 years old. I'm a professional actor. You can find me on Grand Army on Netflix. You can also find me on Dead End on Netflix, or a show that just came out called Churchy on BET where I play TJ. You can find me on those, get to know me. My Instagram again is above. And I love creating content and I want to get back into daily vlogging, so this is kind of like that introduction back into daily vlogging. I don't have a schedule on how I'm going to post because I feel like that's going to apply too much pressure, and I just want to like first become consistent, and then when I'm like, oh, I can do every Wednesday, then we'll do every Wednesday. But for now, and today's Tuesday, so it's T-Shot Tuesday, so got to do my shot and also record a video regarding that. I got a lot of things. I'm all over the place, but this is what you can expect from probably almost every vlog. So if you love it, stick around, hit the subscribe button, and if you don't, I'm not making you stay. You know, you can exit the video whenever you want to. But if you love me, watch the video all the way to the end, because that's how, I don't know, that's what YouTube wants, apparently. One here. To fit right here. Bam, bam. All right. That's crazy. It literally just turned off. But we're making, that's what we're making, guys, okay? I I think it's getting louder and louder. I'm almost positive, but we're gonna do this from Morningstar. All right. This is my last one because I've pretty much been eating these every morning just because like I haven't done like an actual deep like grocery shop, and I do want to get different. I don't know. I just want different options when it comes to like eating breakfast instead of having sweets all the time, like waffles and syrup or pancake and sausage with syrup. You know what I mean? Maybe like some oatmeal, a smoothie, an avocado toast, because for the amount, as my mom tells me all the time, the amount to get avocado toast at a coffee shop is like $12, $13 in LA, and then you can literally get like bread and avocados for like that price, like a loaf of bread. It's just crazy, guys. All right, so for the coffee, we're doing the, what is this? The not too sweet cold brew coffee. I think the stock, I think that's how you say it, but that's what we're doing for the cold brew. I was told that the acidic level is not too high, so that's why I got this one. And I also think my mom said that this one would be a good one too. And then Jess put me onto the Oatly. Now she likes the vanilla one, but they only had the caramel one available. I haven't been able to find the vanilla one yet. And this, I gave the rating an 8 out of 10, and that still stands today. Definitely an 8 out of 10. So Oatly, you got something going on right now. But like I said, I had already made coffee last night. And I was like, you know what? I need to sleep. I don't need to be drinking coffee right now. So I was being an adult, a responsible adult, and I saran wrapped the top, put it in the refrigerator. So yeah, it's good stuff. I have no complaints, guys. Definitely still keeping the rating of a 8 out of 10 for sure. What do I need to do right now? I feel like I should film my Youth to the People video. I don't really need to leave the house. I did laundry yesterday. And I did laundry 2 days ago. Like, I spent the whole day doing laundry. I really just need to film content, and then I need to keep this vlog going for like a daily vlog. I don't really know how long I'm gonna have these videos. Let me put y'all down. I got about 1 minute to talk before this thing dies. But I don't really know like how long these videos are gonna be when it comes to like daily vlogging. I just wanna film. I wanna get back to like filming content. And also, like, from looking at my numbers for how long y'all attention span is on my videos, it's very short. And it could be because my videos are just not fun and exciting. I don't know. But I want to start off with, like, the shorter vlogs, shorter daily vlogs, and then slowly add a couple minutes on each one to get y'all kind of on the same page of what the length I'd like it to be. So this one's going to be pretty short, but hey, we're posting. Okay, so this is the first spread I got from Youth to the People, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we got their kale and spinach vitamin superfood cleanser, which I'm gonna take everything out just so y'all can see. It's a big bottle too, I'm not even gonna lie. So think about your iPhone. Bam. Okay. And then second, we got the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. Like so, like so, like so. Okay. And then we got the Vitamin C Ginger Root Lactate, which I haven't tried. It's the papaya and vitamin C. I'm excited to try this one. This one's also really pretty. Like, look how beautiful that is. Oh, that's beautiful. Packaging is everything. And then lastly, we got this. Oh, this is the sunscreen. I had this in the last package they sent me. This is a sunscreen. Shout out Youth to the People. And then we also got this one right here, but actually, you know what? I'm just gonna show you guys. Cause why not? This is the Ground Yourself. Cleanse, hydrate, calm. Alright, it's beautiful. Like, Youth to the People does not disappoint, first off. Like, come on now. That is everything. So I'm excited to try all this stuff and make a separate video on it. I'm pretty happy with how the last like few hours have gone. I got the Youth to the People IG story together, posted that. I filmed the T-Shot Tuesday video, posted that reel, and then I needed to grab Clecho food. Oh, send the emails. I did get in touch with Jay from Can-Am, and yeah, we are definitely cooking up something pretty cool that will y'all probably won't see that for a few weeks, or even probably in October, but still, that's fire. I'm making some pasta right now because I'm starving, and then I'm just gonna keep on reaching out and sending emails. I gotta respond to the people about the desk. I wasn't gonna do a desk in this room, but after today editing and using my annoying ass laptop, I'm like, yeah, you need a desk set up. But something skinny. And then I'm realizing that I might not be able to do. So there's a brand that's like down to send me a couch, a small couch for my bedroom, but like it's looking like it's gonna be too stuffy up in here, and that is the opposite of what I want. So I'm thinking maybe a cozy chair in the corner, desk here. I don't know. I gotta kind of figure that out. But right now we're gonna eat. This is what lunch is looking like. It's like a linguine. It comes as a frozen meal, and then you just gotta pop it in the oven. Pop it on the stove with like a little bit of oil and just keep stirring it. I'll try to find the bag or show y'all the bag tomorrow, but we're gonna try this, and then tomorrow y'all will find out what my rating is on it. But it looks beautiful, it smells delicious, and I'm hungry, so we're gonna eat it. Gas stove, wine cook. Alright, y'all, I just finished eating. Food was delicious. So here's the thing. I was going to film or do like my bathroom tomorrow, because I was gonna do my bathroom tomorrow and do my closet today, but since the hangers are coming in tomorrow, I figure I swap it and do bathroom today. Oh wait, although I don't have the organizers, so maybe. No, I don't want to just take everything out just to put everything back. So we're gonna have to. We're gonna do bathroom a different day, when I can get the organizers from like the dollar store or something, or there's no Container Store out here, I don't think. Maybe I can buy them on Amazon, I don't know. But for now, I guess I'll just put everything in the drawers so it doesn't look like it's like cluttered. Okay, all right. So yeah, we'll do we'll film a bathroom video / organizer type situation when I get those dividers, and then tomorrow, since the hangers are coming, we'll film that portion of the video tomorrow in that daily vlog. Really, today I just need to, like I said earlier, finish sending emails. So there's really not much to film for the rest of the day, or you guys will just keep getting the same like in the house shots. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, and then tomorrow I'll start that second daily vlog, and yeah, you guys can tune in and see what's popping. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you have, this is like basically the move-in series, so with everything that you see throughout the videos, if you have any like ideas as far as like organization or like websites, deals, anything like that, please put it in the comments, because it'll help me. I'm literally like trying to make this bedroom be super comfortable and workable when it comes to like content as well. So like each side of the bedroom might be a different vibe. Like it's all gonna lock into like the style that is right here, like this color scheme, this vibe. But I just wanted to have like one maybe picture frames, another one might have a plant, you know what I mean? So and I need a good spot to get fake plants. That's super important. But yeah, we'll get into that in tomorrow's video. For now, I'll close this one out. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you enjoyed my company, go ahead and subscribe so that you can lock into these daily vlogs. And until next time.